Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's AJ and
Angel here.
Today we're going to be showing you a quickly easy
Slime tutorial. So the supplies that you need are Elmer's school glue. It doesn't have to be Elmer's, but this is what we have at home. So this is what we're gonna be using. You need activators. So we have you can't really see the logo anymore, but it is the Tide non without the scent one. So we're just using this as activator, and of course you can use any other activator or laundry detergent that you have. Next we have food colorings. We're not sure which food coloring we're gonna use yet, but so far, what color do you want, AJ?
blue.
He wants the blue one, so we're most likely gonna make blue slime. You need a bowl or a container, and you need a mixing utensil, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's get started.
So first you're gonna grab a bowl, and then
you're
you're
grab
gonna
some
glue and then pour it in.
Pour how much glue you want, or how much slime you want to make.
At least that much.
Okay, so we're gonna have that much. And of course you can add water right now if you like. So next you're gonna get your, well, it depends if the AJ, do you want to add your food coloring now or later?
Let's add it later.
Okay, we're gonna put this aside. We're gonna be adding the activator. I'll just add the activator and AJ can mix it. And make sure to add a little bit of activator at the time, and then thoroughly mix it. And as you can see, it's already starting to form.
Yeah.
It's starting to form, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more laundry detergent,
Yeah.
and basically just keep doing this until your slime is not sticky anymore.
And liquidy. And watery.
Okay, I'm just gonna mix it for AJ.
Yeah. It's starting to form. It's starting to get a little heavy for me.
I'll hold the bowl while
Okay.
you mix it. I got glue on my finger.
Sorry. Is it my fault?
No.
Or is it? Is
It was
it?
the slime's fault.
Oh, I think it was the bowl because she does glue.
Yeah.
And if you, yeah.
It's getting harder to mix
Because
because it's getting thicker.
and the stick is very bendy,
Yeah.
so that's why it's getting heavier.
We couldn't find our regular mixing utensil.
I know you guys saw it, right?
The red one.
Yeah, you guys saw the red stick, but we lost it. So,
AJ lost it.
oh yeah, but it's supposed to be chopsticks.
Yeah, but it's okay. We can.
You can always use this, but it's heavy.
It's just gonna be
Heavy.
a little bit harder to manage.
I wish.
So now when you get at this part, you're gonna get overwhelmed by how sticky it is, but all you have to do is basically just keep playing with it, and then only add literally a dot of the activator.
Really? A dot of activator?
You can also make the activator out of borax. That's what most people use, but if you don't have borax like us, you can literally just use the laundry detergent, as I said. And here's AJ's fingers. He said he wants to poke it, and it's sticky. I told him.
No, it's not. I won't touch it.
Now at this point, you can honestly just keep your slime like this, like
if you want.
very thick. If you let it sit in your container for a few days, it will be really thick. But AJ's gonna add the color, so you're gonna get your food coloring, and basically you're gonna poke a dot in the middle. That's where you're gonna be putting the coloring.
I think you guys should put 2 or 1 drop. It's because when you put 2, because that's what happened to my other slime. So I'm just gonna add just 2 drops. 1. Okay, I'm just gonna add 1 for now. This is actually not sticky.
For some reason, I can't screw this back in.
Yeah. Okay. Oops.
Okay, it's sticky, so I'll do it for him.
Just a little bit. And then when we are done, we will. I think this is gonna turn to a sky blue. You know, like a dark sky blue.
Wow, it's so pretty. Look at that.
Whoa. Yeah, I don't want to add. I actually don't want to add another drop
Because it will be darker.
Yeah. Whoa.
So stretchy.
So stretchy. So guys, I'm going to be doing a ASMR for you.